Hello everyone, welcome back to the Crypto and the Airdrop channel, guys. Today we will be looking at the follow-up video of the Blast Airdrop. This video is about DTX, which is a perp DEX on the Blast network, which is on the Blast L2. You will get all the information here because this video is important video for the Blast gold points, as I did mention in the previous video that I will make a separate video for the Blast gold points. And what I have decided to do, guys, I'm actually moving a step ahead and I'll be making a separate video for every single dApp that's actually on the Blast gold, which allows the Blast gold points to earn, so you guys can pick and choose whichever dApp you want to interact with, as there are many different dApps. Some are the NFT and gaming dApps, some are the swaps, some of them are the perp DEX, as the DTX is here. So as you know, guys, that not everybody likes perp DEX, not everybody likes the leverage trading, and it does require a little bit experience. So I've decided to make all the separate videos, guys. Now, guys, if this is your first time, first thing first, make sure you subscribe to the YouTube channel. Make sure you turn on the notification bell so you don't miss out on any updates, guys. I will be leaving all the links in the description below, so you can easily go and click on the links and you can easily perform the tasks that I'll show you in the video. Also, guys, make sure if you haven't yet joined my Telegram group, it's vital for you to join, as I give all the small updates, all the crucial updates, which is timely updates with all the airdrops into my Telegram channel. It's absolutely free to join. Also, once you are a member of my Telegram community, you also get double entry into my giveaways. So make sure, guys, you go ahead and join the Telegram group. If you have any questions, write down in the comments below or ask me in the Telegram, and I'll be more than happy to help you out straight away. So, guys, without further ado, let's jump into the video. But first thing first, what is the Blast gold point? So, guys, what is a Blast gold? So basically what Blast has actually done is Blast basically gives you the points that you can actually bridge to Blast, which is just like most L2s, that they give you point to bridge the ETH or whichever is the native token. Okay, so what happens with the Blast is that obviously Blast does give you the points to actually bridge your ETH to the Blast ETH, but also Blast has another initiative which is called Blast Gold. So, guys, if you look at the video screen here, 50% of the airdrop points will come from the Blast points that you have occurred by bridging your ETH and keeping your ETH onto the Blast L2. But then 50% of the airdrop points will come from Blast Gold. All right, so guys, this is very different than any other project out there. So it's a 50-50 ratio. So that means that the more Blast Gold you will have, more chances you will have to get a very good decent airdrop. So, guys, just be careful that with the Blast, once you have bridged your ETH to the Blast network, remember, as I have mentioned in the previous video, it's a 14-day unbonding period. So if you have done it today and if you want to unbond it, you won't get them straight away tomorrow. It will take 14 days. Remember, it's 14 days, not today, not tomorrow, not in a week, in 2 weeks time, guys. All right, so make sure you are aware of this, make sure you're familiar with this, and I would highly recommend you to have minimum of $100, minimum of $100 for you to actually get some decent airdrop. Yes, you can bridge any amount. If you have a little bit less capital, go ahead with it, but minimum $100 is recommended. And, guys, what we will do is I'm also going to show you one of my wallets that's on the Blast, that let's see how it's tracking, as I have been earning gold points. As you can see, the points are now 137 per hour, and this is one of my smallest wallets, and I've got 0.32 Blast gold, which is approximately, I think, about 7 to 10,000 points. So as you can see, guys, that it's actually a huge emphasis on Blast gold as well. Okay, guys, so the next thing is you will come down to the DTX page, which is dtx.trade/airdrop. I will leave the link in the description below. So as you can see that the total traded volume here is $1.7 billion, and total open interest is $1.1 million. So guys, this is what it looks like. Once you come here, you go onto dashboard and you need to create your account, so which is basically minting this NFT, and this NFT will be useful later on, which I'll show you in the next videos. And then all you gotta do, guys, is make sure you connect your wallet. You click on the trade. As you can see, that they do have multiple different pairs here, guys. One of the crucial thing with the DTX is that DTX launches tokens straight away. All the new tokens coming on DTX straight away. So this is great if you're farming multiple airdrops, and if you do want to book some profit at the TGE when the token launches, this is an excellent platform for you to trade on. Now, as you can see, guys, that here we have the ETH USD pair. There are multiple different pairs here. Now, what we will do, guys, is basically we will be using the Blast ETH that we already have bridged on Blast network. So what I'm doing here is basically I'm just going to wrap my Ethereum from ETH to the wrapped ETH. Now, guys, one thing you also want to keep in mind here is that if you just have your ETH and if it's not wrapped ETH, you won't be able to trade here. So in that case, you want to go to Bpop. I will leave the link in the description below. Wrap your ETH there. The fees lower. DTX actually doesn't take you on Bpop. DTX takes you on Thruster Finance, which has slightly higher fees, and Bpop also gives you Blast Gold points just like Thruster Finance. So guys, as you can see that I'm just trading the ETH here. Basically what I'm going to do is, this is a leverage trading, guys, by the way. All right, so just be careful here. You can trade up to 50x leverage, but you don't want to do that. All right, because you will lose your funds. So you want to only keep maximum leverage up to 10x. I'm actually trading it even below at 9x, so the funds don't get liquidated. Otherwise you will be risking your funds to be liquidated. So guys, be careful. As you can see, guys, it's processing here, so that's why the screen looks a little bit hazy. It looks a little bit blurry, as I have just performed the trade. So what I have done, I've done about $50 worth ETH, $50 worth wrapped ETH. As you can see, guys, it's been approved, and now I'm just going to long my position. So it's basically, you don't want to actually, guys, here also you need minimum $500 worth volume. So make sure the long is minimum $500 worth. So it's, as you can see, 0.19 ETH I'm longing by paying 0.02 wrapped Ethereum, and I'm just going to quickly long position, and I'll quickly close, because as you can see, the ETH price volatility is high at the moment, and there are chances that you might lose a little bit funds, but that's okay. I'm not too concerned about it, because for me this is going to not only increase the unique contract interaction on the Blast network, but also this will give me the Blast gold points. So I'm just thinking long term. So this is the reason why you will be have to be very careful, guys. As you can see, I'm just confirming the trade. Leverage trading is risky. If you are not experienced, please don't attempt it. Just watch the video till the end before you try this, guys. Don't rush, otherwise you will lose funds. Okay, so I warned you, so just be careful. I'm just longing here, and as you can see that it's minimum of the $57 going in. The total size is $500. As I mentioned before, that your trade size needs to be over $500 in order to do any trades on DTX. As you can see, guys, it's longing, and as soon as it gets long, I'm quickly going to scroll down in the positions, and what I will do, I will quickly short it. So I'll quickly close the open orders. If you want, you can leave it open, but I won't be leaving it open because of the price volatility of the ETH at the moment. I will be closing it straight away, as I just want a contract interaction. As you can see, guys, you click on max. Okay, remember, you click on max, you just want to close it straight away. Okay, so as you can see, I'm just playing around here just to show you guys, but make sure you do it straight away, guys. As you can see that I'm already closing it, and this is how you want to do it. All right, so boom, as you can straight away you close. As you can see that the price is moving downwards at the moment, so it's about 88 cents down, and this is exactly why, guys, leverage trading, you have to be very careful, you have to be very experienced, otherwise you end up liquidating your funds in no time. Okay, so just be very, very careful, guys. And as you can see, as soon as the trade is actually getting closed, so long is closing, so we are basically shorting it so we don't lose too much of the funds. We just get the unique contract interaction with this, and that's pretty much it, guys. As soon as this is actually closes, we will be off this trade, and that will conclude our DTX trade. And that's basically all we're looking to do from this video, as we actually not trying to trade the actual ETH here. We just trying to perform a task for the airdrop, guys. So guys, if you have any other question, if you have any concerns about longing, shorting, please let me know right down in the comments below. Guys, thanks for watching the video, and stay safe, take care, and I will see you all in the next video. Make sure you like and subscribe my YouTube channel, share this video with your family members and friends, and also when you come on this airdrop, scroll down, you will be able to see that I've already got the DTX fuel points, and I've traded volume over $2,000, guys. Thanks guys, thanks for watching the video, and I will see you all with the next video very soon. Stay safe.